Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Fit Girl repacks and whether it is safe or not. First, what are Fit Girl repacks? They are compressed versions of computer games, often pirated or cracked, that are repackaged under the Fit Girl name. The repacks use existing game installers or pirated game files and compress them to a much smaller download size. The site distributes these files via torrents and file hosts. Now what they offer is alluring, free downloadable games, smaller file size, and easier access. That sounds good at first, but we must look at the other side. One major issue is legality. Because the games are still copyrighted, downloading them from repack sites is illegal in many countries. Next, safety and security. While some users say they had no issues, many others report seeing viruses, malware, or other malicious activity after installing repack files. The nature of piracy means risk is inherent. Another warning sign is the common instruction to disable antivirus or accept so-called false positive warnings when installing. That request itself is a red flag because it removes a layer of protection for your system. In conclusion, I would advise you not to use FitGirl repacks if you care about legality, security, or system stability. If you choose to proceed despite the risks, understand them fully. It is far better to obtain games through official stores and to support the developers behind them. Thanks for watching.